Visa just spent $2.4 billion in cash on a company that studies how you type. Not what you type, how. The company is called BioCatch, and it has been sitting quietly inside your bank for years. 350 banks, 21 countries, 760 million people. It reads 19 billion banking sessions every single month. So what is it actually looking at? Your keystroke rhythm, how hard you press the screen, the angle you hold your phone, the way you tab between fields. BioCatch says that adds up to over 3,000 signals a session, and not one of them is your password, which is exactly the point. AI can fake your password. It can fake the code in your texts, it can fake your voice. The one thing it still cannot fake is the physical way your hands move. But the clever part isn't catching an imposter. It's catching you. Picture it. Someone rings, says they're from the bank, and talks you through a transfer. Every check passes because it genuinely is you. Your face, your finger, your phone. So the system watches for something else entirely. Real people type a password in one smooth run. Fraudsters paste it in. And a person being coached through it types in stops and starts because they're waiting for the next instruction. That is somebody getting scammed, caught live, mid-sentence. One UK bank says it stopped £500,000 a month that way. Visa's Andrew Torre says AI is scaling these attacks up. He puts the global bill for scams above $1 trillion a year. So here's the trade. Your bank now knows you by the way you move. That is much harder to steal than a password, and much harder to take back. Nothing changes until regulators sign off, probably next year. Until then, I'm the Tech Bard, and notice how you type. Hit like and subscribe. This one's AI made, human checked before it went out, and if anything slipped, I'll want to know.